We're at the Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to give you a room tour as well as show you all their amenities, and this is right across the street from Broadway at the beach. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy travel videos and Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. Let's go in and check out this hotel. Let's start with a room tour. First of all, this is a king suite room. They have different room types. You've got a somewhat full-sized mirror, a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and the lamps do have outlets that you can plug devices into, which is nice. And then over on this side, you've got an area for your suitcase and a TV, some extra storage, and there's some extra bedding in those drawers. Do have a coffee maker and a microwave and a small refrigerator. Take a look inside the refrigerator. It's a nice size. And then you've got a pretty good sized couch or sectional, a couple of tables in the center. There is a desk and more outlets to charge any of your electronic devices. Another television that's in front of the couch, which is great. There's an ottoman here as well as a desk chair. I did want to mention that the AC or heat is this sort of old-fashioned kind. There is a thermostat on the wall, but it does nothing. It's completely blank and doesn't turn on. So your controls for the AC are over here, and all of the air comes out of this. And so since the bedroom is across the room, I'm wondering how that's going to work, but we'll find out. And then we have a nice view of the lake. We really looked out on the view, and directly behind me would be Broadway at the beach. So that's your frame of reference of where we are. We're across the street from Broadway at the beach, and there's the Holiday Inn Express over there, and then we do have a pool as well that's right down here, but we can't see it from this angle. And then one thing I do like is this is where you come in the door, and I like the fact that you have this little hallway. It'd be good for storing luggage and stuff, but also it keeps you from hearing noise from the hall. It is a single vanity, so just one sink. Got the mirror, and then on this side you do have a little closet area. It's not a closet proper, but there is an ironing board, a hairdryer, some hangers, a luggage rack, and also there is no safe in this room, just FYI. And then here's the toilet, and in here is the shower, and so it's got the nice clear shower door, and it is a good sized shower. So if you're a tall person, I am not, but if you are, the shower head is really high, and the shower does go back pretty far as well. So it's a really nice sized shower. Also, the couch is pull out, which we didn't realize, so that's a plus as well if you have extra people. So you could definitely sleep 4 people in here. Here's a close-up of this gorgeous lake behind the Fairfield. Really, really nice, great view. They have a really nice pool area, and there is a hot tub there at the back. It's a very small hot tub, but it is a hot tub. But the pool is a very, very nice size. They also have a fitness room with some free weights, a couple of treadmills, a elliptical machine, and it looks like probably a rowing machine or a stationary bike. I guess that's a stationary bike. It's really nice. Outside the breakfast area, they have these tables that are next to the pool, so this is a nice little relaxing area in the shade to eat your breakfast. Here's a tour of their free breakfast here. They do have some hot items. I will be honest, it wasn't our favorite. It's free though, so there's that. And it's fairly limited compared to other Marriotts that we've stayed at, but they do have the make your own waffles, which are always good. They also have a nice big area in the lobby to eat. The one thing that we wanted to point out that we didn't notice right at first is there is mold growing on the inside of the window. It's on the inside, I checked. And also this old air conditioner, you can kind of see some dust or mold on it, and it's blowing out these black particles that are landing on this table. I've already cleaned this table like 3 times, and it's a pretty good distance from the AC, so that's something to keep in mind, especially if you have allergies. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.